Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Soldier Tracking and Health Monitoring System. So in this project, we are using an Arduino Uno R3 board and 5 volts power supply module. And here we are using three sensors or two sensors and one danger switch button. The person in a position, they are in a danger, they want to press the button, it will take the latitude longitude from the GPS module, and it will send the SMS to the predefined mobile number which are stored in the Arduino board. So here we are using Idea or Airtel, Vodafone, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, any one you can use. So those are connected to the serial communication. GPS, it is connected to the third pin. GPS GY6M V2 GPS module. LM358 operational amplifier based heartbeat sensor, LM35 temperature sensor, 16 cross 2 LCD display, and it is connected to the RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Danger switch, fifth button, temperature sensor, it is connected to analog 0. LM358 operational amplifier heartbeat, it is connected to the A1. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using adapter power source, okay, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So here we are using Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, any SIM card you can use. GSM SIM 800L mainly for the SMS alert purpose. So here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So here I am pressing the button. The project title name is Shoulder Tracking and Health Monitoring System. So here we are using three sensors. Those are LM35 temperature sensor, precious temperature sensor. It can detect minus 55 degrees centigrade to 150, and danger switch button, and LM358 operational amplifier based heartbeat sensor, and GPS module. So here T for temperature, soldier is safe, and place the finger, and here we are getting okay, pulse. So on and off should be, must and should be required on and off. So if you are pressing continuously, so here danger button, okay, soldier in a danger position, so the person will receive the SMS alert, okay. So here SMS alert, yeah, person received SMS alert. If you press this, and it will ask the Google map, and you need to show the Google map, then it will show you the exact location on the Google map. And here the temperature sensor, if the temperature crosses around 60, 35, 57, yeah, SMS alert, and it will send the SMS to the predefined number. Yeah, body temperature is 62, okay. And heartbeat, if heartbeat cross 90 and above, we will get the SMS alert, but mainly we are getting 66, 65, 72 we will get, okay. As per program, here the temperature, here temperature 60 and above, we are getting the alerts. And so in 30 to 90 in a normal mode, 91 to 99 it will say high heartbeat alert, and it will send the alert to the particular numbers. So power supply, Arduino, sensor, LCD display, GSM SIM 800L, GPS module, heartbeat sensor, danger switch, and LM35 temperature sensor. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.